Google Workspace account has been suspended. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Google application on your device and search for Google Workspace and then simply tap on it. Now to determine the cause of suspension, some of the common reasons may be billing issues, that is missed payment or invalid credit card information. So it can also be policy violation or security issues such as account compromise or detected security threat. Now, if your issue is regarding a missed payment or invalid credit card information, then the first thing you would want to do is head over to admin.google.com. So you can simply search for admin.google.com over here. So let's search for admin.google.com, and as you do that, you can simply log in over here. Now what you simply need to do as you log in or verify yourself over here, let's just verify ourselves and let's wait for a few more seconds. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well, then select your account. So you can simply check on the outstanding invoices or update the payment method if necessary. So you can also ensure your credit card or other payment details. Next, what you can do is simply, if that does not fix the issue, you can simply go for the option of Google support and simply make a complaint or simply get help from Google itself on the issue regarding Google Workspace account that has been suspended. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.